Hello everyone, Mrs. Foster here with a brief tutorial on how to complete your first 6 weeks portfolio cover. The instructions are to please click on the link provided. It'll open the Google slide titled with your name and the words My Portfolio. I've included a tutorial video below of me completing this form. You have 5 things to do. Replace the text and add your name. Tell me 2 things about yourself. List your favorite art materials. Tell me something you hope we get to do this year in art. Tell me 2 things you learned from your first 6 weeks projects. So you'll come under your work and open the Google Slides that has your name on it and it says Art Portfolio. We can change the view so that we can see it better. If you change the view, you'll have to use your scroll to get to where you want. This box says to double click and type your name, resize as needed. So I'm going to type my name, enter, resize it, boom, done. Next. 2 things you should know about me. Replace this text with your answer. So we can come in here and highlight it, type your answer. Tell me something about yourself. Highlight, replace, type your answers. Excuse me. My favorite art materials to use are replace this text, type your answer. You can list what you like to use. This year in art class, I hope so click, highlight, replace, and type your answer. 2 things I learned from first 6 weeks projects are, I know that 5th grade was working on the proportions of humans and using guidelines, right, to get the proportions right. We had a grid of 8 and a rule of 7. Replace this text and tell me something you learned from your first 6 weeks art projects. I know that 3rd grade, they studied fruit and did a still life. So you could say, learned geometric and organic shapes while painting a still life. All right, let's look and see what these green arrows say. Replace the text with your answer. Done. Class code is for Mrs. Foster's use. This is the class code area. Leave that alone. Use the lines tool and the shapes tool here. We're going to make a little self-portrait. You can use the shapes tool. Grab what you need. Come up here to the fill. Change colors. Get more shapes. While something is selected, it'll have all these little square, what's called nodes around it. On your keyboard, you could hit, oh wait, I want to change the color first. Let's change that color. We'll do blue, my eyes are blue. While holding the control key down, you can type the letter C and that will copy the item you have selected. You can hold the control key down again, type the letter V, and it will paste a copy of it. A line tool, this one is called Scribble. It's the closest to freehand drawing that you can get on the Google Draw. So here's my beautiful hair. I'm having a great hair day, it looks like. Okay. I can change the line color. I can also change how heavy the line is, how thick it is. Oh, I just went bald. I can, if I have 4 arrows, I can move and manipulate what I've drawn around. Oh, okay, there we go. Get the hair. And then also use the Control C, Control V. I can pull this node. See how it has 2 arrows? That means I'm selecting it. I can click and drag. I'm going to drag it over to the right to flip that over. And then now I've got my 4 arrows and I'm moving it into place. I am looking beautimous. Okay. You get the idea how to use these tools. Finish your little self-portrait. And once you finish your self-portrait, there's no turn-in button on this because this is a Google slide, but Google automatically saves your progress. So you can just close the tab and turn it in. If you're worried that it's not there, especially because it's not showing up in the little thumbnail, you can double click, reassure yourself, there's everything I changed, close the tab, turn it in. It's going to ask you twice if you're wanting to turn it in. Yes, you want to turn it in. Okay, everyone. If there was something that you forgot or something that you want to change, anytime you turn in an assignment, you can click the submit, do some editing, and then turn it in again. That's it for this brief tutorial. And remember, make every day special.